If you want your home to know you better, you need to let your home sense you more accurately. The Presence Sensor FP2 is designed for this purpose. With millimeter wave radar technology, it has a greater detection capability. The FP2 can monitor a large area of nearly 40 square meters and can detect 3 to 5 people simultaneously. This includes their movement, distance, walking direction, and other factors, so that the environment, such as lights, can be adjusted automatically, and every member of the family can enjoy a comfortable life. Moreover, it can also detect people falling. When the elderly or children accidentally fall in an enclosed space such as a bathroom, it can trigger an alarm and notify their families in time to prevent further injury. And this insensible detection also protects your privacy, and more human state detection will be supported through OTA upgrades in the future. In addition, you can divide your home into different zones, or use the templates to define the zones with one click for better zone planning and management, so that automations can be implemented everywhere in your home. For example, when you sit on the sofa to watch a movie, the surrounding lights will slowly go out and movie mode will be turned on. When you walk to the dining room, the ambient lights in the dining room will be turned on. When children or pets approach dangerous areas, it will warn them to immediately leave. Moreover, it has a powerful AI interference filtering function, which can effectively identify interference from curtains, fans, plants, etc., making the detection more sensitive and accurate. In addition, it can act as multiple zone sensors in Apple Home, with more scenes and conditions, resulting in a more enjoyable smart home experience. Aqara Presence Sensor FP2 brings you a more accurate, more fun, more advanced smart home experience, taking you into a new era of insensible smart automation.